What is up guys, this is Fact Circle. You're watching some psychological facts, so let's move on to the video. Apple stores everything you tell to Siri on its server for up to 2 years. Sleeping next to someone makes you sleep more easily. Bees can make colored honey. Did you know Tokyo is the world's largest city with 37 million inhabitants? These Chinese developers built a 10-story building in Changsha in just over 28 hours. Louis Vuitton burns all its unsold bags at the end of the year. A person can live without a food for about a month, but only about a week without a water. Bangkok University makes students wear anti-cheating helmet during the midterm exams. Italy's High Court has ruled that stealing small amount of food to starve of hunger is not a crime. Brad Pitt suffered an ironic injury on a film set. The first cell phone took 10 hours to charge and had 30 minutes of battery life, cost more than $10,000. Japan has more than 50,000 people who are over 100 years old. The 178-year-old preserved head of Portuguese serial killer Diego Alves. For 100 years, maps have shown an island that doesn't exist. US purchased Alaska from Russia for just $7.2 million in 1867. The fastest gust of the wind ever recorded on Earth was 253 miles per hour. Women spend nearly 1 year of life deciding what to wear. If you make ice cubes with tap water, they will be white, and if you use boiled water, it will be transparent. Did you know tigers are the most revenge-seeking animals on Earth? There is a river zoo in China that puts you in a cage and let the animal run free. Whale songs can be used to map out the ocean floor. Daytime naps helps to improve your memory and cut the risk of heart disease. Eating mangoes before smoking marijuana can heighten its effects. Laughing for 15 minutes has the same health benefit of 2 hours of sleep. The inventor of microwave appliances has only received $2 for its discovery. It would take less than 6 months to get to the moon by car at speed of 60 miles per hour. The best place in the world to see rainbows is in Hawaii. There is a bulb that has shone without stop since 113 years. Sir Isaac Newton predicted that the world will end in 2060. Did you know octopus lays 56,000 eggs at a time? Humans are unable to taste pure water, but it does have a taste. 18.97 Hz is known as ghost frequency because it causes ghost-like sensation. If you like this video, please subscribe. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.